MetaMask is a browser extension and mobile application that serves as a gateway to blockchain applications and Ethereum-based ecosystems. Start by visiting the MetaMask website and installing the browser extension. Once installed, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. You'll set a strong password and receive a 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write down this phrase and store it securely. This is your key to wallet recovery. After setting up, MetaMask provides a sleek interface to view your balance, manage transactions, and explore decentralized applications (dApps). The wallet is compatible with Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, allowing you to send, receive, and swap cryptocurrency seamlessly. To fund your wallet, you can transfer Ethereum from another wallet or use MetaMask's built-in purchasing options. The wallet also supports integration with NFT marketplaces and decentralized exchanges, providing a versatile crypto experience. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. MetaMask emphasizes security by offering hardware wallet integration and advanced features like setting custom gas fees for transactions. It also allows users to connect to different Ethereum-compatible networks, such as Binance Smart Chain or Polygon, expanding its functionality. Explore decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, stake assets, or interact with games built on blockchain, all with MetaMask. Remember to always verify smart contract addresses and only interact with trusted sources to safeguard your assets. Don't miss out on the potential of blockchain technology. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials and updates, and give this video a like to support the channel.